Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply find the recently viewed pictures or videos on your photos on iPhone. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, open up the photos. Once you do open up the photos, let me just unlock it first. Once it is unlocked and this interface will appear, scroll to the very bottom and you should be able to find media type, and right under the media type is the utilities. From here, just swipe to the left like this and the third option is recently viewed, that is your view history. Tap on it and you can see all of the pictures and videos that you viewed on your photos. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.